A Victorinox pocket knife. Quite impressive. Quite impressive, no problem, no damage. Wow. The tip is still fine. Tip test. Wow, not bent, nothing, still awesome. The tip is a little bit bent, I think, a little bit, but not too much. Stabbing with the Victorinox gets you some hot spots, that's for sure. That's this pommel, this here. Gives you this. So it's still going strong. Oh. Yeah. Nice bend it. So as usual, we try to bend it back. Okay, now it's super bent. Okay. No, liner lock is still okay. Liner lock still working. Not too bad. Liner lock. They have a little bit wiggle, but not too much. Okay, now it broke. That was too much. Broke, Victorinox. With the liner lock. We have a wiggle, but not too much. Still working. Yeah, it's bent. It is bent. Okay. That was the saw. That's the Victorinox Hunter. It has a knife with liner locks and a saw with liner locks. You have a knife, the saw, and the knife are liner locks. It did a pretty awesome job because it's very durable. It can step it through a car door. That's impressive. But the steel is flexible, so the knife and the saw will bend and they will eventually break because it's for sure a soft stainless steel. And here's the saw. It's usable. It's not too bad. But the knife is better on this one than on the soldier's knife. This is a better knife for penetration. So all in all, pretty awesome knife. You can open some bottles or use this for stabbing. So all in all, a pretty cool knife. Totally recommendable. Like all knife from Victorinox, they're all pretty good. So thanks for watching. See you.